Hello everybody, welcome to the new video. We are going to talk about dynamic on the side step. Very, very important. Let's do that.
Yes.
Okay, this is good exercise for followers and for leaders, and it's talking about the dynamic of the step. So just doing a side step, we are going to do this. Side step, extension, and collect. Let's do the step to the other side. Side step, extension, and collect. Let me show you on this angle. So I'm making a side step on my right side, and I'm extending the left. In order not to collect very soon, I'm doing this. Extend it, so I go to the opposite direction and then collect. If I go to my left, I'm extending the leg on the right and then collect. So this is one of dynamic. Side, together, side, and together. Now, why we do that? Because there is many ways to do the side step and also back and front, but today we are talking about side step only. There is another dynamic, another tempo, another sharpness that we can have on the side step, and it is when we feel that the legs are magnet and they go together. So if I do the same move to the side, I will go one end. See, so I'm following the move right away with the other leg. So I'm making the step and right away I collect to the feet together. Very different than the prior move. So if I show you this here, I'm going to the side with my right leg, one end, going to the side with the left leg, one end. Again, one end, one end. So if you notice, also I'm syncopating. On the first one, we were doing 1 and 2. I can do this very, very slow, or I can do it faster. 1 and 2. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first example is to use when you have very, very slow song, when you need to stretch a move, when you need to go very, very grounded, to dance very grounded, like if you dance pugliese. The second one is for staccato, sharp, so it's for different songs. So let me show you this in the leaders version.
All right, following up with what Miriam was doing, we also use the adductors, yes, the inside part of our thighs, yes, our inner thighs. So when we are doing the side step, like Miriam was mentioning, we also, as a leader, we displace the hip to the side. So it's not only for followers, we leaders, we do displace the hip to the side. 1, 2, transferring, noon. And one thing that we do, leaders and followers, we are using the inner thighs to fit together, even if it's slow or fast. So this is what I mean. One hip out. In the middle, I will stop. It won't look nice, but I will stop in the middle. Look, we are using the inside part of our thighs just to control the speed. And from here, we keep pulling a little bit with the hip to fit together. Same technique applies if we do it faster, but this will be in a shorter motion. Pa-pum. Same thing. If you notice, my hip is out. Pam, sending the leg. Pa-pum. Hip is out, and I'm overlapping the knee, just for the followers and the leaders. Let me do it a couple of times so you can follow me. So we are going to do this, and one pum, fast first. Para-pa-pum, para-pa-pum, side pump, kind of shorter than normal pump. You don't need to do it very, very big, and if we do it larger, we slide from point A to point B, sliding using your inner thighs, hip and feet together. 1, 2. You can bring your heel closer to the floor just to make it a little more grounded. And feet together, passing by feet together. So you can practice this a couple of times. Let us show you with Miriam how it looks together.
So now we're going to use the resolution, the cierre, with two versions of the dynamic, the elongation and the sharper one. So let's do this.
Let's take it from the cruzada first.
Yes, let's do the cruzada so we go to resolution, right? So the first was slow. We stretch the legs the moment and we lift to go to the feet together. Let's do this one more time.
We're into the cruzada. Tuk.
Resolution. Back here, stretching the legs to the side and take all the time to collect and lifting so we go to the feet together. Now, the second version, coming from the same point, this is from the cruzada going to the cierre. So I'm in the cross, cruzada, and 1 and 2. One more time, we go again to the cruzada, resolution 1 and 2. So if you notice on the second one, we really compact the legs. Let's do it again from here, from the cruzada. Look, if we go in slow motion, but doing the work. Back, together. So we are both closing on that effect, like a magnet effect. So try to apply that when you are dancing. When you dance with different composers, you need to know the technique. So for different songs, you use the extension or you use the sharp one.
All right, thank you for following us and also dancing with us.
Yes, thanks for watching the videos and stay tuned for more information coming soon.